All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. I got another watch list for you, and this week is about to go crazy. We got two major catalysts. You got Jackson Hole, and that is going to be on Friday, and we have a lot to talk about it because this will be the only time we hear from Jerome Powell until September, and then we also have the PCE, which will be another important inflation data set. So, Chad, we have a lot to talk about. Literally, there's so much. I even got a little mini theory, but if you saw what happened last week, the question is the momentum going to stop? Does it keep going? Summer, bull, and rally, whatever, but we got a lot that we need to go over. So, Chad, I got the breakdown. I got the keys, the plays, all of that. I even have a couple of hype plays. If you watched on Friday, I think we made like 6 or 7 day trades, so we might do a little bit more of that. So be on the lookout, but for the most part, it should be simple, and there should be a lot of opportunity. So drop your thumbs up on the video. Make sure you're subscribed. And if you don't know, we are live Monday through Friday, 30 minutes before open, youtube.com/stock. We're going to see you there. It's free 99. And now I need your help, Chad, okay? Like, bro, I'm stoked off of this. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow is Monday. You need to post a random option trade below. This is the random account generator. And look, after 2 or 3 trades, we are back to where we ended the year, Chad. This just shows what $100 a week and even a couple of good trades. Even at, bro, we like, look at. I'm just saying, bro, let's go. We need your help, Chad. God bless you. Post that below, and hopefully you're ready for the morning. Even then, bro, I was about to post a video. I was in traffic, man. I was in traffic for 3 hours before, so I don't know. Okay, anyway, all right, let's run it.
Working to the couch, it's the 2020 election. Live in the hills, but I still get a spread. Started with a live, but I still reinvest it. Feel how I feel, then you feel it's a blessing. I just want the lesson, I just want protection. I'm up and I'm down, but they sound like progression. Farmer never plans if he waits for perfection. Finger to the down.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I know I'm all over the place, but we have so much to talk about. Let's get right into the keys. As far as Jackson Hole, that is going to be the biggest event of the week, but here's where it gets a little tricky. It doesn't happen till the end of the week, and then the PCE is literally going to come out 2 hours before Powell speaks. This is what I'm saying is, like, we have so many ways to view Jackson Hole. There's going to be a lot of things that are going to be contributing to it, but the first thing to know is simply all of the momentum from last week. People are waiting for an event, but none of the big stuff happens till Friday, and a lot of analysts are saying that Jackson Hole will most likely outweigh the PCE data. I think PCE will be important, so keep your eyes out for that, but that's the first big key about Jackson Hole. And now, to even understand it a little bit, this will be the first in-person Jackson Hole. Again, it's called Jackson Hole because they meet in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, okay? But it's going to be the first one in person. The other one, the last 2 since 2019, they have been virtual, but now this is where it gets interesting. The last Jackson Hole, last August, that is where Powell came to say, no, it's transitory. It's transitory. And then 3-4 months later, they shifted. So a lot of people are saying, wait a minute, is Powell, what is he going to say this time? And will it reflect how it did last time, where essentially, is he going to say something where he'll have to pivot, or what most people are expecting, he's probably going to echo what a lot of the Fed speakers have been saying, and quite simply, they've all saying, no, we have a lot of work to do. So the real big thing to look out for is simply, does the market respond when it comes out of Powell's mouth? That is what we're going to be watching. So keep your eyes on that. But coming into the next key now, like I'm saying, watch out for the slowing momentum and this end of the rally talk that people have been having. I'm sure a lot of you have noticed the most hated rally, but now, even after a 2% drop on Friday, this is something people are looking for. That's why now you're going to have Powell in the PCE, and that will have a big effect. But now what we really got to focus for, I've seen a lot of Jackson Holes. Yes, it can be important, but a lot of times we might just be very, very hyped. And then if that PCE and Jackson Hole don't hit, everyone's going to kind of just act how they were, just a little bit more cautious. But what I'm trying to say is that the jobs report and CPI that are going to come after, those will confirm any move that we see by the end of the week. So watch out for that. Then coming into the third key, just keep it in mind, because I view it as pseudo data more or less, but you still have some pretty big industry specific earnings. You got NVDA this week, Peloton, Zoom, JD, CRM, Dick's Sporting Goods, again, from retail the chips, even like some of the growth names and even China stocks, these could tell us a little bit if there is a big beat, or a big miss. So watch out for that. But finally, I have to put this one in here because I'm looking at a lot of oil and I want to see other stuff. But there was Ukraine news over the weekend about one of Putin's right-hand man, that his daughter was killed instead of the guy. It was pretty, pretty much a lot of drama could unfold from it. So I would watch there. We may have some news that may hit a little different. If not, then it's going to be all about Powell, the data, and then maybe a little bit of the earnings. So I hope you're ready. Bye. Let us get into the plays. So, right off the bat, I got 3 different names that I'm looking at. We made 2 plays on Friday, and then the last one we day traded on Friday. I don't have any options to watch. I'll get you some for tomorrow as far as strike price, but look out for that NFE. That one is now below my price target, so I may be willing to go and grab that this week, especially if we see some UNG. And then the other one, the Phillips value play, I still really like that. We want to watch that come down a little bit. So keep all of those plays in mind. But as far as play number 1, baby, Alibaba. So I grabbed puts for October. I got 10 of the $35 puts for about 0.07. I even put this out on the stream alert, even on stream when we talked about it. This one is really, really far out the money. So be careful. You will have a way better chance going close to the money. But the problem I have with Baba is how slow it moves. That's why I want to start with these. If we get lucky, we'll get higher percentage gains. But then if it doesn't really move and stay stable, then I could get a better price. But now the reason for Baba, if we see any more China weakness or negativity from Powell, it's looking very ripe. Like I'm saying, I said this last week, it's already at this level from when it had the big flush out again. $190 is a very, very key level for him. So I'm thinking, hey, if things get bad with China, the currency, all the data and everything else we're getting this week, we may see more weakness there, but it moves very small and it could definitely kill the premium, and that is what I'm worried about. But that is the first play. Coming into play number 2, we made this one on Friday as well, BTO. So this is the Bitcoin ETF. I did go for puts as well. I grabbed the $9 put for October and I only paid 35 cents. I grabbed 5 of them, and the thing is, I'm just looking for more downside and anything leading into the data. Powell, again, crypto went on a tear, starting to come back. We'll see how it plays out. But now, too, it's been a couple months since we hit the last BTO, and now those premiums are definitely lower than where they were. There was a big gain when I bought it. I paid like 30% premium, but overall, like if you look at the multiple days, even the last couple of months, those premiums have definitely declined. So gonna be watching that for number 2. And then finally, number 3, baby, Oxy and Husa. Yes, Husa's weird, but literally all of the oil plays from last week are still in play, so I like it. And I made a play on Oxy and Husa on Friday. So there's one, the Oxy news with Buffett trying to buy half of it. That's going to affect Oxy individually, but what we want to see, if crude oil goes up and the rest of the oil companies go, there actually may be a little bit more hype, and that's why I'm putting Husa. I traded this one on Friday. Again, like, dude, stream alerts was crazy. I made a lot of random day trades, but Husa, I view this one as like the energy meme stock, more or less, or hype play, long duration, whatever you call it. But pretty much anytime there's been one of these days where oil, commodities, or literally crude itself goes nuts, we can get a lot of volatility with Husa. So as a trade, I'd put that there. But if we do watch anything develop in the oil markets, just definitely keep your eye on them, because silently after the last 2 months of pain, they're kind of making that move, and you still got the natural gas and all of that. And, well, I guess that's the main plays. I'll get into it. I did not roll over on the UNG on Friday. We lost on that play, a bad $500 loss, but I am going to go for another one. So that is going to be a play. I'll put it as a secondary that I'm going to be looking at tomorrow. But as far as everything else, I'm definitely going to be keeping my eyes out on those earnings. We already have a NVIDIA play, JD as well too. So there is going to be a lot. I'd even keep an eye on Dix this week. Again, they're relating there with the consumer stuff. But besides any of those plays, it wouldn't hurt to look at bank stocks coming into the whole Jackson Hole thing. But I think we're going to watch how it plays out. I think there's going to be a lot of energy plays. And then I'm probably going to do a couple of day trades until we have confirmation. And then we know where we're going into the final quarter of the year. But that is your watch list, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure hydrate, healthy, ready to go. Make sure post your watch list. Make sure we see you there in the morning. I need the armor on. I need the helmet shining. I need you to remember you were made for this. It's all about consistency. If you would have given up a long time ago, you wouldn't be here. But why didn't you, baby? Oh my, I'm telling, I got a bunch of even feelos too over the weekend. There's a lot to think about. We all got opportunity, but Chad, you are getting closer to the finish line. Imagine this year so far. We got a little bit more, so now is the time. Remember, just like the random trades show you, it only takes 1 or 2 good decisions, and that could go and reverse a lot of what you've seen, so I hope you're ready. But Chad, drink that water, stay hydrated, healthy. I forgot what else. I had something else to say. We're going to talk about it on stream, man. But Chad, I love you. God bless you. You better get some good sleep. I hope you thought about everything with the philo, even on the weekend. I hope you got that woo sign, Chad. Live at the level of your belief. Amen? Amen. Let's go. I don't have any horn, bro. My room is too clean. That's it, bro. I was in traffic. That's what I was trying to say, man. Like, legitimately, I was about to do the watch list in traffic. And I don't know what it was. There was like a crazy car accident. And then now, like, my horn, I can't even find the horn, bro. I was all over it. And then I was thinking about Jackson Hole. And now I'm ranting to you. But now I get to save it for tomorrow and talk to you, Chad. God bless you. God bless you. All right, I love you. Peace.